guys, we back with another video. Damn, you know, it's been a while I haven't recorded. Sorry if you can't really hear me. You know, this wind is kind of like, you know, heavy right now. Hey, we're gonna be installing the Harmonic Balancer on my is300. It got messed up. You know, it's making a little noise when I'm running on the highway or something like that. It makes this really squeaky noise. And then right now we're gonna go fix one of my friend's exhausts. You know, make it deep. Hopefully I enjoy this video. But damn, guys, we're back. I don't know, it feels really different now. We're gonna get to that, guys. We're gonna wait for Addison to come out of his house, and then we're gonna do it. All right. Oh shit! Addison, say what's up. All right, guys, let's go. What's up, boy? Say what's up to the vlog. What's up? Everybody know this boy, Christian. We're gonna go fix this truck. I mean, we're gonna go make the exhaust deeper and like make it sound nicer. But yeah, we're gonna go do that today. And you know, hopefully everything comes out better. Can I say hi? My neighbors.
Making sure they're being good boys.
Okay. Thank you. Guys, we're kind of in danger of not doing this. Right, Addison?
A la verga.
Look at the fucking sky, dude. This hurricane shit ain't funny. Oh, check. Dude. Alright, guys, well, our salty ass came to this place and it's closed. My boy upset. Look at him. Look at him. Well, now it's another day, but we're still gonna have to do the Harmonic Balancer on my car, mine on his car. Well, at least so he can move around because his car's been sitting. What we got here, bro? What we came for?
We got the extractor.
Ooh.
No, bro, that's what the fuck
yeah, it is. Alright, so let's get to it.
Oh shit,
let's get what's right now. Oh, dang, my fucking car looks so dark inside. It's just tint. Alright, guys, we're in a little. Hey, where you going, puto? It's kind of raining outside, guys. What the fuck? What the fuck? Well, it's raining, and we're gonna have to move those trucks and stuff. And then we're gonna park my car inside the garage and do the Harmonic Balancer. God damn, things I do for the video. Oh well, worth it. Yeah, for real. Always for real. Easy. And I wanted to say something real quick. The subscribers, you know, it's been really good seeing my subscribers go up and everything, like my likes and everything. And hopefully my dream does come true, you know, everything that I want to do. I want to make my IS really good, you know. I want people to support me and like all that stuff too. So thank you to everybody who's been supporting me, watching my videos and giving me likes and everything, you know. Thank you. It means so much to me, and you know, that's like, ooh, just the best feeling, you know. It just feels really good. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. But yeah, well, we're gonna get to this, guys, so let's go. Pop your hood. Guys, the struggle is real. Gosh.
Why you put it right there?
Cause, well, we're gonna be changing that part. No, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
No, you have to take the foot.
Guys, we're gonna be changing this part today. Take out the radiator.
Like, man, I already know everything.
And leak all my coolant.
Where'd it go?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, well, guys, well, we already took off all the hoses and stuff from the bottom. Dang, leaking coolant. Well, I already took that off. Now Addison's gonna take all this, pull it out. And yeah, let's get this shit done, boy. Well, guys, we already took it out. You know, right now I'm doing the time lapse on the phone, and y'all seeing it from right there. And I'm gonna put this part in too, but we already took out the radiator and the fans and all that. I had taped up all the lines so they won't leak on my friend's like parking spot. What we're gonna change today. This is the new one. But yeah, guys, and then I'm gonna clean this out, all this, make it look nice. Yeah. His brother's car. And then there's Addison. My boy fucked up his shit. Ooh, fuck no. Oh, hell no, Addison. What? Well, say what's up to the vlog, bro.
What's up, nigga?
Say what's up to the vlog, bro.
Come scoop.
I don't want to take you. I don't want to scoop you.
I love you.
Yeah. Everybody, that's Matthew with the fucking BMW. Oh, yes. Get it. Oh.
Bitch. I'm about to cook.
Oh, God. Look who pulled up. Oh, Chetos. Damn, you hungry, boy. All right, so you got something to show the people? All right, let's go. Okay. Damn, boy, you hungry. Everybody. Damn, boy. Hell yeah. So last time I came over here, he had it here and I was just surprised by it because I really didn't know what he was gonna get. But this is like really sex. Damn. Oh, okay. Oh, bro, this whole sex, bro. God damn, Eric. Gonna fix this hole up a little bit more.
Other way.
We're putting on the driving belt now.
Serpentine belt.
Driving belt.
Serpentine belt.
It's the same shit.
That's why you
bro.
can't.
Oh yeah, damn. Putting on the radiator back.
Nigga, no one cares. Honestly, not Let's get bagging, nigga.
I swear. Guys, we're putting on all the hoses. Cause all these hoes are. Ooh, Addison finna yell at me.
Bitch! Motherfucker.
I'm gonna be whiter than I am already.
Yeah.
Get it? Cause it decreases. Alright, there. Everything's back on. Alright, guys. Everything's back on. Ooh, yes. Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree, boys. Yes. Alright guys, well I already put everything back. You know, my friend Addison helped me out. Thanks to Addison. Shout out to my boy right here. Hey, say what it is, bro. Alright, well, I already finished doing this. We're gonna run it right now and then make sure everything's good. Hopefully everything came out good. Right?
I wanna drive it.
You gonna drive it? Alright, fuck it. He gonna drive it. This was today's video. We installed this. Hopefully I enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'm finna go put transmission oil on it and then a coolant. Go put some on so everything can run good. Too fast. It took us probably like 2 hours, an hour. Go check out my last videos. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Thanks for watching. And thank you so much for the 200 subscribers. Alright guys, I'll see y'all next video. Peace.